I want my baby back, despite all the things he lacks. I'm living in an empty shack, and that's just a worn out fact. He might mean a lot to you, like flowers and dinners too, but he means a lot more to me. We have a history. We had 3 babies, a house needed painting, had to walk the dog. We had a sink down the hall to the left, kept getting clogged. We had an old hand-me-down car that our friends laughed at. We have a history. You don't have that. You always wear perfume like a flower just in bloom, and laugh at his every joke like it was the first time that he spoke. Well, I don't read the latest news, 'cause I don't need no clues. To me it's no mystery. We have a history. We have 3 babies, a house needed painting, had to walk the dog. We had a sink down the hall to the left, kept getting close. We had an old hand-me-down car that our friends laughed at. We have a history. You can't take that. We have a history, and you can't have that. We have a history, and you don't have that. We have a history, not a channel on TV. It's as real can be, and I'm holding on tightly. Three babies, a house needed painting, and a walk the dog. We had a sink down the hall, make a left, kept getting lost. We had an old hand-me-down car that our friends laughed at. We have a history. You can't take that.